Hi, Phanessa here. I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the triple crochet stitch, also known as the treble crochet stitch. This is a 6x6 square using worsted weight yarn and a US 5mm crochet hook. You want to begin with a foundation chain of 21 stitches. We're going to skip 4 chain stitches, and then into the 5th chain stitch we are going to work 1 triple crochet. Yarn over twice. Into the 5th chain from the hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now with 4 loops on your hook, you are going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and you're going to do that 3 times. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, that's 1. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, that's 2. And then one last time, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So the skipped stitches here, the 4 chains, counts as your first triple crochet. Into the next chain stitch, 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next chain stitch here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One last time, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so now you have 3 treble crochets or triple crochets on your work. Continue working 1 triple crochet all the way across in each chain stitch. You should now have 18 triple crochet stitches. That includes the skipped chains here, the 4 chains. Now we will start on the next row. You want to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to turn your work. So this chain 4 counts as your first triple crochet. Into the next stitch here, you're going to skip this stitch here and work your next triple crochet here. Yarn over twice, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and again we are going to yarn over and pull through 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and finally yarn over and pull through 2. So now we are going to work into the next stitch here. Same thing, we're going to work 1 triple crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over twice, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. You will repeat that in every stitch all the way across. The last stitch can be a little tricky. So the 4 chains here, you need to work into the top of that turning chain as well. So yarn over twice, and then into the 4th chain from that beginning chain 4, we want to work our triple crochet stitch. And it can be a little tight. So just make sure you still have 18 stitches. So you're going to repeat the last row 3 more times for a total of 5 rows. Okay, I've completed my 5th row. Now you can go ahead and block your square to 6 by 6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video.